This woman who can now speak using nothing but her brain signals and facial expressions.
Anything is possible.
Meet Anne. At the age of 30, Anne lost her ability to speak after suffering a stroke. She got paralyzed. Her world went silent for 18 years. The talking machine she had made it hard to talk like normal, only 14 words per minute. Instead of accepting the silence, she found a voice through artificial intelligence. Scientists at University of California made a brain-computer interface to turn her thoughts into words. With the help of AI and a voice from the past, her wedding speech became the key to her new voice.
You are truly wonderful people.
After endless trials, her silence is broken. Anne's thought turned into words, nearly 80 words per minute with her own voice, a world's first.
Do not make me laugh.
Now she can communicate through a digital twin. She can talk, laugh, express love, all on her own terms. For people like Anne, AI isn't just about technology or finding her voice. It's about the voice we all have inside, waiting to be heard. Now she aspires to become rehab counselor to help people like her. As Anne says, anything is possible. Follow me for more AI related content and share with your loved ones. Until next time, Maasalam.